Welcome to WeGuard Visual Knowledge Base series. In today's video, we will discuss how to add or provision devices using zero-touch install. Please refer to the documentation and links available at weguard.io/ZT. WeGuard and Android Zero Touch together simplify large-scale deployments. With WeGuard and Android Zero Touch, corporate-owned single-use or kiosk and corporate-owned work-managed devices can be enrolled in bulk or large-scale in no time. Large-scale deployments have been a nightmare for IT departments, as each device setup could take more than 30 minutes, and in some cases up to an hour, which could mean several months needed just for deployment. Step 1. Identify devices supported by Google Zero Touch. Google provides a list of devices supported by it, and you can make your selection. Step 2. Sign up with a device reseller. Normally, you would ask your reseller to procure devices for you for the model that you want for your organization. Step 3. By this time, you should have your company account created by Google. You need to sign up with that account to start creating your profile. In the selection of EMM providers, as you can see in the list, WeGuard appears at the end, as this is alphabetically sorted. Please select WeGuard and provide the other details. Do not put anything in DPC extras at this time. You are now one step away from provisioning your devices, which may have arrived by now. You can collect the IMEI of the devices, upload them as shown. Make sure the profile ID matches with the profile ID created from the profile created in the previous step. Please note that you may avoid the last two steps if you would have purchased these devices from a device reseller. Also, it may take Google or the reseller a couple of days to associate the IMEIs with your account. In order to customize WeGuard automatically for specific devices, you can load a customized WeGuard policy to the device or devices of your choice. As shown in this part of the video, you can select a policy. Click the Upload icon on the Devices tab and upload the devices that you want to enroll to this policy. You can optionally download a sample file to help you in the process. By the way, this also means that when you unbox your device will be set up with the WeGuard policy that you chose, instead of the default WeGuard policy. The next part of the video shows the device enrollment using Zero Touch, which starts right after you unbox and connect to network or Wi-Fi. Thank you for watching. For more information and updates, please follow us on the social media links below.